Hi everyone, and welcome to this quick video on drawing portraits with a true likeness or a better likeness. Just a few tips and tricks whilst watching this time-lapse portrait I did a few years ago. When drawing or painting portraits of people you know, or well-known public figures, it's important to get a true likeness of the person when the finished painting is done. This is not an easy thing to do, especially for beginners. So if you struggle with painting or drawing portraits, take some notes on the following tips and tricks on getting a true likeness. Use a method or technique that maximizes the chance of drawing accurate outlines in line with your current ability or needs. I see too many beginners trying to draw the hard way when they don't have the skill and experience to draw accurately. They draw by eye, getting the proportions all wrong, or even using the grid method, they're not precise enough to get a good result. So use a projector, use a DaVinci drawing app on your phone, use tracing paper. There are so many ways in which you can accurately draw the outlines you need. So there's no shame in using tools to help you until your skills have improved enough not to need them. So you can see here that I have a photo reference superimposed or stuck on top over the top of my drawing, and I'm flipping backwards and forwards very quickly as I draw. I'm comparing several things at once here. I'm comparing the accuracy of the drawing lines, the tonal values, the softness and hardness of edges, the gradient transitions, the shapes of the shadows and the shapes of the lights, and I'm also looking at a general accuracy and proportion all at the same time. This is a really good method to use to get very quick and accurate results. I use this a lot when I have a commission where accuracy is vital. I use this a lot with portraits, especially because accuracy is probably one of the most fundamental, vital parts of a portrait. Even when the initial outlines are traced, the accuracy of outlines can easily get shifted around as the artwork develops. I tend to use this method towards the end of the drawing in most cases to check the proportions, to add certain details like eyelashes and folds of the eyelids accurately. Don't be scared to change any errors you may see when using this method. Trust it. Just make sure you have it aligned correctly in the first place. So I always align it with the eyes. So I place down the paper, flick it backwards and forwards, and then when I'm happy it's exactly in the right position, I tape it down on one side. I tape it down on one side so I can lever it up and down like a book. For this particular portrait, I started using the flip method I'm just talking about quite earlier on because the reference image I was using didn't have very much detail and was extremely small. And my reference image was blown up quite a bit, so a lot of detail was missing. So accuracy from what I had from that was fundamental in getting a good result. In due course I will be doing a full in-depth downloadable tutorial and a few more tips and tricks videos on YouTube here to help you improve your accuracy and confidence in drawing good portraits. So stay tuned and subscribe so you don't miss out on those. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.